Hello, I hope everybody's doing well today. Starting off a little early today. Today's my day off, so I wanted to do some blogging today and get some things together. So I'm gonna start off by how I unplug in self-care. Give me a second, I have to wait for my internet to load on the computer. Okay. Hold on a minute. Okay. Well. Okay. I unplug in self-care by meditate, reading, blogging, showering, listening to music, surveying, watching TV, playing games on my phone, and spending time with Lucy. Those are the things I do to self-meditate and take care of myself, and to unwind when I feel like everything's becoming so overwhelming, which I think it's really important to do that. I like fun things that help you self-meditate and unplug, because everybody needs to unwind, and it is important for the brain to unwind and for you to take care of yourself. So that's all I have about that one. Like I said, thanks for watching my videos, and I hope you are being safe and enjoying your day. And since this video goes on YouTube, please like and hit the like and subscribe button so you can get some more awesome videos by me and some more advice by me. And like I said, some more awesome videos. Thanks. Bye.